offer this to my amazing community. Make sure you're following all the rules, and you'll be in with a chance to win one of these incredible prizes. Get ready for the announcement date, when we'll be revealing the 5 lucky winners of this incredible giveaway. I'll be sharing some amazing testimonials from previous winners, and trust me, you won't want to miss it. The excitement is building, and I can barely contain myself. So, to recap, we got 5 brand new iPhone 16s up for grabs, and all you need to do is follow a few simple steps to enter. This is an opportunity you won't want to miss, so make sure you're taking action and getting involved. And don't forget, if you want to stay in the loop for more giveaways like this one, be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite feature of the iPhone 16 is, and don't forget to check out my other videos for even more chances to win. Thanks for watching, and good luck in the giveaway.